we're here with one of the fun elements of our home gardens, which are volunteer plants. This is a beautiful gourd which actually grew out of the compost pile, I believe. And so it's gorgeous climbing the fence, but the question that it brings up is, what exactly genetics does it have, right? And so that brings the question of, was this grown from a hybrid? How was it cross-pollinated? And so there are lots of times, especially with different kinds of vining crops in our garden, when we can actually get cross-pollination. We could plant a hybrid seed that we know exactly what it is, and it will come true that first year. But if we save that seed, if it's cross-pollinated with something else, we may end up with something a little bit different the next few years. So seed saving can be fun, but we want to be sure that we know what pollinated it and what we're looking for the second year.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.